Hello, my name is Alejandro, and I am going to tell you why I decided to study international business. First of all, my parents have their own company, and I think this is one of the most important, or mm, might be the most important reason why I decided to study this career. Uh, this semester was my first semester, and I really enjoy it. I had courses such as contability, which is something that I really enjoy, making counts and numbers, all that stuff. And this helped me to decide or to have a real idea of what I would like to focus on, and would be definitely finances. Finances are, I would say, the most important fact in a factory, in a business, whatever commercial activity you want to think about. Uh, this is fundamental in order to work correctly. Also, I had other courses, normal courses like math, but with but focused to what I'm studying. They also, well, they teach us how to use resources in a more efficient way, how to reduce prices and costs, and I definitely love my career. Hope it gets better, and the international experience is, I think, the most important thing and what I'm waiting for. So let's see what happens, and I hope everything everything is okay, just as it has been so far. Bye.